Good morning. It's Friday, so I thought I'd do another video. I haven't done a whole lot. It's been hot. And I'm from South Texas and Missouri, and this is just as hot as it is 20 minutes in the Gulf where I lived before. But I got the lines bolted down. It's basically radiator hose clamps with wire insulation, the heat shrink. I got that tip off a roadkill. I like that better. At least it gives some cushion to it. Got the lines painted. The lines up there painted so far. I've got a little bit left to do on that side. This side's complete. Got this arm finally completed. And I got the back wheel painted, so all the wheels are the same color, black centers. I just masked them off and painted them black. I thought, well, the contrasted color looks nice. But other than that, I haven't been doing a whole lot with the weather. I ordered some Duplicolor Paint Shop silver paint. They got damaged, I guess, in shipping, so the body panels haven't gotten done because of that, and I don't want to buy a rattle can for it just because it cost me just as much money to buy a quart of paint and paint it with a single stage than it would be to get like 4 cans of this TS color I'm using. It's off actually the same color as my Lightning was. So the reason why these videos are always short is because our internet here is pretty slow. It takes about 30 minutes to upload a 1 or 2 minute video. And I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but it's even worse lately trying to upload in HD. But just a quick update of progress.